Welcome back. In this video tip, I want to share our approach, our kind of overview approach to using social media. So a common question or a common mistake that we see people making is using social media to build a following, then trying to drive sales and things and keeping everybody almost too much engaged on social media. It's just kind of almost losing the concept of how we actually use it to drive sales in the first place. So what we're looking to do is, if you think of social media in this way, we grab people's attention on social media. So we're doing things to get the attention of our customers, our prospective customers and so on. Then we're going to engage them. So we're building familiarity and we're engaging with them, building trust, developing trust. And then number three, you're actually moving them to your own real estate. So your own real estate will typically be your website. Because on social media, you never own that platform. So if Facebook or Instagram or wherever you're building your following on LinkedIn, they change the rules, suddenly it can have a huge impact on your business. So we basically get attention, then we engage, and then we move to our own real estate. Once you've got them on your own real estate, then you start educating the customers to keep coming back, and prospective customers, your audience, to keep coming back to that website, and then ultimately move them into an opt-in funnel. So you might have them visiting like a blog or content on a video blog or a podcast or something, checking out resources on your website. Ultimately, it's almost like you want to own them. It's like attract attention, engage them, and then own them by moving them to your own real estate into an opt-in funnel. An opt-in funnel might be a little form where they pop in their details, they get some free information from you, because then you control what you promote and when you promote it, because you've got the details, you call the shots. It's in basically your terms from there on in. So that's what we do. If you want to check out the program that we use to attract, to create opt-in forms and to create our opt-in funnel, so what happens after they opt in to build trust and move towards sales, you can check it out here. We've shared the link here in the email that you've received this video from. We'll also post it in the notes on basicbananas.com under this video. And if you use our referral link, we're an affiliate of this program. Basically what it means, if you click through from that link and you decide to join up as well, let us know, because we can share a special little code with you which will basically pull our opt-in funnel into your account, so you can just swap out the information like love from Basic Bananas to love from your business, and tweak those messages. The whole funnel is kind of built there for you, so a good little bonus that you could take away from today. So click through, you can check out the program. If you want to pull those funnels into your own account, just email us and say, hey, I've registered. As long as you've registered through our link, we can share those funnels with you in your own account. So until next time, keep creating ripple effects of awesomeness, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.